is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Star vs the Forces of Evil. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the damage that can be caused by this particular ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, as you can clearly see, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So it is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this star vs the forces of evil extension. Removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware drops this ransom note. It tells that the users need to pay the ransom for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then click on the Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And then the scanning will begin. And at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. So, I recommend that you indeed consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner, since this is the best solution to keep your data, your files, always protected from further ransomware or malware attacks. So consider premium license. This will give you protection from any other malware or ransomware intrusion.